Pakistan unconditionally surrendered. भारत माता की। मेरे को बोला गया है कि किस तरह से देशभक्ति का ये फुल माहौल है। मैंने भी इधर मस्त एक जैकेट पहन के आया हूं, यहाँ पे इंडियन फ्लैग है, एंड इट इज अबाउट द शॉर्टेस्ट वॉर which was there in human history, Indian mankind. And आज वो हम यहाँ पे एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च के जरिए आपको बताने आए हैं. So let me call on stage Mr. Ajit Andare, COO Wycom 18 Studios. Hi sir, can I have a mic for sir? How are you sir? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome everyone. I think it's a great day to start something new. It's महाशिवरात्रि, तो सब आप सभी को महाशिवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं. एक मेकर के लिए, एक स्टोरी टेलर के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी होता है कि जो कहानी आप करना चाह रहे हैं वो देखने वालों के जहन में उतरे, और देखने वालों का जो सोचने का नज़रिया है, जो उनका मूड है, उससे कहानी जुड़े. जिस तरह कुछ हाल ही की घटनाएं हुई हैं, तो हम लोग ऑफ कोर्स इस फिल्म से एक नए तरीके से जुड़ गए हैं. जब हमने शुरुआत की थी तो ऐसा कोई अंदेशा नहीं था, ये सिर्फ एक अच्छी कहानी थी. बट दिस इज़ वेयर वी आर, एंड वी ऑल हैव सेलिब्रेटेड द रिटर्न ऑफ विंग कमांडर अभिनंदन, you know. But how many of you know about Ajay Ahuja, squadron leader Ajay Ahuja? Anyone? Can you raise your hand? Who knows? Yeah, 2 hands going up, and if I ask you Wing Commander Abhinandan, I'm sure everybody is. So of course we are proud of Wing Commander, we are proud of what happened, all of that. But what about those who don't return? You know, what about those who are forgotten heroes? And we as a society are so quick to forget them. Ajay Ahuja actually went after Nachiketa took, went ejected from the flight in the Kargil war, and he was actually trying to see the location. When he took a hit, he ejected, and he was actually killed, and it is said that that was a cold-blooded murder, and he had a bullet mark right through the ears. And that's what happened during Kargil. But we don't remember him, we don't remember the name. Why I say this? Because this film, the spirit of this film is to really salute, to remember, and to think about, and to see the story of forgotten hero. And this is based on true events. And as he said, 1971 war. Why is 71 relevant today? Because I think in our entire history, it's only in 71 we took direct action. And I think more recently we have taken direct action. So this is not a period film. This is not about times which are not relevant. This is very relevant today, because this is the only time, as I said, when we have taken direct action. I'm very thankful to Ajay and to Bunty for bringing this script over. And from the moment that Robbie narrated, I was itching to do this film. And of course, thanks to John for agreeing to take up the lead role. He's always our trusted raw agent, and there he is never forgotten. We have a long relationship going back with him. So yeah, so all of this is coming together. We are very excited. मुझे बताया गया है कि producers जो हैं वो अलग-अलग titles, पुलवामा और अलग-अलग तरीके के titles के ऊपर लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. We are at least happy that we are making a film which will be out soon, and we don't have to fight that fight. Yeah. So thank you so much, all of you who've been on this journey, and I hope you like the trailer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Let me call on stage Mr. Ajay Kapoor, producer and managing director, Kaita Productions. A round of applause for him, please.
Hi, good evening, everybody, and thank you, everyone, you've been here. Our film is an amazing journey of an incredible unsung heroes who has sacrificed his life, entire life serving our nation. I really feel proud today to stand here with such a great subject. Raw, our film is a tribute to all the unsung heroes who has really, really sacrificed their lives and families for their nation. I really salute them all. I am really thankful and grateful to John sir that he supported this kind of subject, and he's on board with us. The bonding which I share with John sir is amazing and commendable. Thank you, John sir. I think so he's not here, he'll come soon. VA Film, Kaita, and the director Robbie Garibal, who has directed this film, has really worked hard on this film. To work with VA Film is a great experience, and we are working on more and more subjects which are in pipeline. I'm thankful to the entire team of Wycom 18, and especially Mr. Ajit Andhare, who has shown his support to this kind of film and has shown the immense trust in us to produce this film along with their esteemed studio. Lastly, I would thank my beautiful wife, who has really supported me throughout this journey. Thank you, everyone. Ekta, please come on stage once. Yeah.
A round of applause for Ekta as well.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, may I have on stage Vanessa Walia, producer, VA Films. A round of applause for Vanessa, please.
Hi everyone, good afternoon and happy Mahashivratri to all.
Same to you.
Okay, I'm quite nervous to talk. So I think you all know about Raw by now. And I hope everyone loves the hard work that we all have put in as a team, as Raw family. I hope you all love it. And
We have already loved the teaser.
yeah.
Now it's the time for trailer and the movie as well.
I hope you show us a lot of love. And I thank everyone actually, Raw family, Robbie, Gary, Ajay Mr. Ajit, Moni, Sikku. No, I'm going to talk about him. I'm not. Jackie sir and everyone, I'm so nervous. I have so much to talk.
It's okay, you can talk.
Yes, Moni, John, everyone has been excellent with everything in Raw. And not to forget the pillar of Raw is my husband. Sorry, because he and Robbie really held it from day one. And Robbie, thank you for getting us such a beautiful script. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Vanessa. Yeah. Next, may I have on stage Mr. Gary Garewal. A round of applause for Gary, please. Sir, मैं भी ऐसे खड़े हो जाता हूँ.
Thank you everybody for being here. As today everybody is looking for the 5 minutes of fame, it becomes a duty for the society to also talk about people who work from behind. I think that's the entire objective of doing this film. And luckily we found able partners. Mr. Ajit Andhare, Wycom, Banti Walia, Ajay Kapoor, and Robbie for means all the effort that he put into this. I hope everybody watches the film and appreciates the effort and the passion that has gone into the film. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next, may I have on stage writer, director, Mr. Robbie Garewal, please. A round of applause for him.
Cheers. Thanks, guys, for coming. I think everybody said really wonderful things and covered the whole point of why we made the film. All I can say is it's been a fantastic journey. Right from day one, me and Bunty met, and all the partners who joined us, Ajay, Ajit, everyone, Gary. And the reason for making this film, I'll give you a brief insight into it. All of us, every one of us, does whatever they do, whether it's a director or any sphere of life, work, we always subconsciously want to be recognized for the work we do. Even an officer in the army does great job, great work in his life, but he gets credit for doing what he's doing. The only person, the only job in the world where you get nothing in return, you get no credit for what you do, is a job of a spy. A spy is somebody who does everything for the nation, gets nothing in return, and knowing it from the beginning, they'll get nothing back in return. And in all probability, they never make it back home as well. So that, for me, is a true hero, which we've not really seen enough in films. And so this film is a salute to all those gentlemen, ladies for the matter as well, who've gone across the border and done things for the country so beautifully with not wanting anything in return. I think it's the most selfless job in the world. Nothing compares to this job. And the film, like I said, is a salute to these people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Robbie. Let's move on to the trailer launch, जिसके लिए हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं सुबह से. Let's move on to the trailer launch. the star cast of the film, John Abraham, Moni Roy, and Sikandar Kher. Make some noise for the beautiful Moni. Sikandar, and the one and only John Abraham. Hi, sir. Hi, Sikandar bhai. Hi, Moni. All set? किस तरह से आप ट्रेलर के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हो, जॉन? How are you feeling this afternoon?
First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you to the entire, to the studio, Viacom, Ajit, and the entire team, Kaita, Ajay, and of course Red Eyes, Gary and Robbie. Robbie is also our producer, VA, Vanessa, and Bunty. Thank you so much for really standing by this film. I think it's a fantastic script. The one person we are missing here right now is Jackie sir. We really miss him here because he's such an important part of the film. And of course, we've got a great cast. Moni's fantastic. Sikandar's done a fantastic job, and it's great to be here. Of course, the hero of the film is the subject.
Moni, what do you have to say?
I just feel very fortunate to be standing here today, and well, it's Mahashivratri, so it's a very auspicious day, and
Yes.
I hope it brings this film, us and all of you, lots of love and lots of luck and happiness. Having said that, it's a very relevant film, and I am glad that it was made, and you just saw the trailer, but I must tell you, him and Jackie, everybody is just too brilliant, and I feel very fortunate and lucky to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, Moni. Sikandar bhai.
मैं बहुत खुशनसीब हूँ कि मैं इनके साथ काम कर पाया. Especially, I mean, with John, it was just beautiful working with him. मेरे ज़्यादातर काम इनके साथ ही था. जगू दादा के साथ ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर पाया. Though we are missing him today a lot. बहुत मिस करते, तो उनकी तरफ से मैं एक बिड़ू बोलता हूँ. क्या बोलते हो बिड़ू? But हाँ, John के साथ काम करने में बहुत मजा आया. It was just very fortunate to be able to work with a leading man. He's definitely a star, but a leading man
Also
who is
very
so
humble and really, really nice.
and so yeah, he's such a giving person for an actor. For me, though, it's like, I mean, I got a chance from Bunty, who's a very old dear friend of mine, and Robbie, who also
I
trusted
was
me with that
just
role.
coming there.
You know, who's sitting here with a cap. But when you're working with such a big star, and he doesn't make you feel like that at all. He's just a super friend. I'm just very fortunate to actually, as Moni said, just to be standing here with him and actually getting photographs clicked in the same frame with him. So I think that's just really cool, honestly.
We're forgetting a very, very important man. I must add a few lines about Robbie sir. He's been the captain of the ship and kept it going and held it together for all those tedious months. And actually, Robbie sir and John, they've worked I think the hardest on this project. So, along with the crew, obviously.
So let's call the captain of the ship, Robbie Grewal, on stage. Let me also call Mr. Gary, Vanessa, and Ajay on stage. And media, if you have any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the film. Let me also call Mr. Ajit on stage. Media, any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the movie, John ka character? Any questions you feel free to ask. पहले फोटो ले लो. Can we have a mic for?
Hi. Hello.
Well, we've been, without sounding opportunistic about this, we've planned this film, I think, more than a year in advance it's unfortunate these incidents have happened today. But I think in the current ecosystem, it resonates with what is happening in the country.
John, sir, John leader, इस side.
Yeah, I think Robbie is better equipped to answer that question. Robbie?
So honestly, it's topical today, it is. But the idea was never, when you began the film about a year back, to do anything with what's going to happen later. So it's a story of a spy, a man who's picked up and sent to Pakistan. So, and one thing I must add to the point is that we are not trying, it's not a story of good versus bad. It is not a story where other side is bad and we are good and we, emerge victorious. It's a journey of a spy, and it also reflects in the historical significance of what happened in 71. So we're very true to what happened in 71, which also resonates today, which is great for us in terms of the mood that there is. But we never intended to do it like that. It was not meant to come on a day where it becomes so topical that it connects more. So yeah.
Yeah, John.
Mr. Robbie, hello.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये
Can you repeat the question?
हेलो हाँ ये इस तरीके की बहुत सारी फिल्में सालों साल आती हैं और अच्छी भी होती हैं, लेकिन ये फिल्म बाकी सभी फिल्मों से कितनी अलग है और आपको इसे करने में कितनी मुश्किलें आई?
नहीं, अलग है इसलिए मैंने की ये फिल्म. तो नहीं, आई एम आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन क्योंकि अलग है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी कंपेलिंग स्क्रिप्ट, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्क्रिप्ट था ये. And when I heard it the first time only, I wanted to do it. So that's why I'm very excited. मैं ज़्यादा excited हूँ कि आप लोग भी देखें इसको. And you all will understand where we are coming from. It's a very, very special film. Robbie ने जो research की इस film पे is absolutely commendable और बहुत ही credible research. और आज के तारीख में research बिना अगर आप इतने sensitive topic पे आप film बना रहे हो, there's a big sense of responsibility on you. So you have to be very sure about what you're talking about. So it's a fantastic film, very different. Please watch it.
And John. Hello.
जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा था कि we didn't plan this film around what has happened today. ये काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे थे. Unfortunately, these incidents have happened. और मेरे हिसाब से I think this is the right time for a film like this to be shown to India. नहीं, वैसे तो काफ़ी producers कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे इसके बारे में.
ऑलरेडी आ चुका है आज पेपरों में जो बना रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, बंसाली जी और वो सब कर रहे हैं ना आज पेपर.
अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पूरा लिस्ट आ गया ऑलरेडी. लिस्ट आ गया. They've all come together.
सिकंदर साहब.
John.
काफी हैं, तीन चार लोगों ने आज पहली बार मिले हैं शायद, वो भी साथ में बनाने.
No, I don't think so. I don't think that's, you can generalize. And I'm not going to generalize like that. Because I think there's a place for all kinds of films. Total Dhamal bhi chali hai, for example. So I think there's a place for all kinds of films. और हर एक film को हमें respect देना चाहिए. हर एक film के लिए एक space होता है, एक audience होती है. So I think this is our film. We have made it with a lot of pride. And it doesn't mean that if we made one film on history, we'll make all films on history. But yes, अगर आप पूछोगे, does history excite me as a person and the team here? Yes, it does. क्योंकि if you see what I've done in the past also, it has to do something with the history, and I enjoy that space.
John, hi. Towards your right, John. Hi. This is Priyanka. Hi, John. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. John, there's a surge in the number of films that are made on patriotism or the nationalistic sentiment in the last 5 years. Do you think that it's also because that the sentiment in the country is such that Bollywood is also looking to, cash in on that emotion and turn out such films?
Why cash in? High time, no? Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, go, John.
Mr. John.
John, your opinion.
No, I think I think the sentiment in the country is today there's a sense of feeling proud to be Indian. And I think, like they say, this is the new India. And if you make films on this, let's look at Hollywood. If Hollywood makes fantastic war films and they glorify their soldiers, why can't we? So I think it's a great time for India. It's a great time for us, and it's a great time for the audience. And it's studios like Kaita, VA Films, Red Ice, and of course Viacom. They're backing us. It shows their faith in this kind of content, and we'd be happy to project things that are different and enjoyable for the audience.
Mr. Rovi,
John,
my question to you, director साहब, yeah, my question to you is, अभी हाल ही में पुलवामा जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप अपनी फिल्म के जरिए पब्लिक को कैसे टेम्प्ट करेंगे या आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपकी फिल्म के जरिए?
जी, पब्लिक को टेम्प्ट तो बिल्कुल नहीं कुछ करेंगे. The film is about being proud as an Indian, feeling proud. हमारा attempt यही है. It's very unfortunate पुलवामा में जो हुआ, but simple हमारा message है फिल्म में कि जो गर्व होता है हिंदुस्तानी होने में, हम वो दिखा रहे हैं फिल्म में. So that's the emotion, that's the main emotion that we run in the film. और पुलवामा से मैं कनेक्ट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है जो हुआ. तो जैसे जॉन ने पहले बोला, हमने ये सोच के नहीं बनाई थी कि ऐसा मूड होगा और हम उसको इनकैश करेंगे. दैट्स बीइंग वेरी अपॉर्चुनिस्ट. वो नहीं है. हमारा रिलीज पहले से प्लान था. बीन वर्किंग फॉर ईयर एंड हाफ ऑन द फिल्म. सो द मैसेज इज वेरी सिंपल. आई मीन द प्राइड दैट वन फील्स बीइंग एन इंडियन, दैट्स द प्राइड आई वांट टू शो इन द फिल्म.
John, you're playing.
Sorry, whose question was tempt? Tempt किसने कहा? No, you have to be very careful with the way you ask questions. You have a responsibility. No. I don't agree with the way you've asked this question. So, yeah. So you have to apologize to everybody. Next question.
John, you're playing a raw agent. Yeah. John, here. Lipika here. Idhar. Okay, you're playing
I
a
can't
raw...
miss you even in your silhouette. So.
You're playing a raw agent. Ravindra Kaushik? I want to know the role. 1 minute. I want to know what character. And are you guys also depicting that this war was a mind game of Manik Shah, and we won because of his mind game in 13 days, though we were not well equipped with our soldiers? Or are you depicting that also?
Can I answer this question? Because I work
and the role, let John elaborate on his role.
So I'll sorry, pardon me, but let me begin by what I have to say, because it began from my head, from my research. So then John can continue, post my point. So see, this is not Ravindra Kaushik's story, period. What you read when you Google and figure out, you see just the tip of the iceberg. You know about 5 people on Google. I've researched on the spies, guys who go the other side for years. I mean, आप लोगों को genuinely, and nothing to undermine everyone, there's so much more to it which nobody knows about. So this is based on true events, जो 71 में हुआ. It's not based on anybody's life specifically. And second point जो आपका है, the war forms a backdrop of a story. It is a story of a spy who goes the other side. So war is the backdrop, like I said. It is not about the war. It's not a war film, like I said. It's a story of a spy. वहाँ जाता है, क्या होता है, what he undergoes, and what happens to him by the end of the film. That's the film. So yeah, a great man like Sam Manekshaw doesn't figure in the narrative of my story. I mean, there's another film being made on him, which is fantastic. I think he's one of the pioneers that we've had in our country, an Indian general, the best that across the world, across the globe. So, but this film is not about him.
John, I have a question on your right. On your right, this is Sakshi from Bollywood Now. I want to ask कि जब भी ऐसी फिल्म्स बनती है तो जिंगोइज्म कहीं ना कहीं होता है. तो ये फिल्म में आप एक पेट्रियट की तरह डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं स्टोरी या एक ऑब्जेक्टिव इंसान की तरह? I'm asking about like how the film is made, from what perspective?
Your question is very confusing and difficult.
Being a patriot is being objective, no?
No, I mean there's like jingoism. Like at the end, even they are doing their job and so are we. But in movies like these, sometimes it happens that the other side is shown as like the bad guy, and I'm sure in their films also it's the same case with us. So like Razi dealt with it like from an objective perspective.
For that, you should watch the film now. Why should we give so much away?
John, sir, on your left.
Yeah, but just to answer a bit of the question, I think, and I give credit to Robbie here, he comes from an army family, and he's very responsible with the way he's told the story. And like you said, to answer your question, it's a very objective film. No one's bad or good in this. It's just how you look at things. So we're not depicting any other side as the bad side. It's a story of the spy who goes across. So, but again, it's a very different story from Razi. It's a very different story from many of the other. It's a very different story from Parmanu, for example, or it's a very different story from many of the other stories you've seen. So you can't compare it to what we've seen in the past, which is why I was also excited to be a part of it. But to answer your question, it's not jingoistic. It's not that typical flag saluting film. It is very different, and that's why we're proud to be associated with it.
Okay. John, sir, on your left. John, sir, on your left. John, sir, on your left. So this is Simran Singh here.
John, sir, and Sikan.
यहाँ पे. Okay.
John.
So John, so yeah, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि first of all, congratulations for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे, we always saw you on screen playing larger than life character, but this time we are seeing that your character is not only hardcore action packed, but it also has a layers of emotion and drama. So has this role? Can you just elaborate? Has this role took a toll on you? What do you want to say about? There are many instances that we saw in trailer.
Yeah. So. Very honestly, from when I started my career off to where I am today, I think, and I would want to believe that I have graduated as an actor also. I'm learning every day from everybody. And I think, yes, this film has taken a lot out of me, but positively. And I think it shows in the film. It's beautiful. It's the whole process that he goes through, the emotions he goes through has come across beautifully in the film. And I think, like I said, you're only as good or bad as your director makes you, and my directors made something really special from what I've seen, which is why I'm proudly sitting here, and I'm actually playing on the front foot, and I'm saying it is a fantastic film, and it's really, really well made. And as an actor, I feel very proud that if I have to spearhead my showreel, I'd spearhead my showreel with Romeo Akbar Walter today.
Moni, how was the experience working with the John sir, and can you tell about your character?
Hi, John.
No, I'm not telling you anything about my character. Please, leave something for the film. But it is what it is. What you see in the trailer, we've said a lot in the trailer. It's about 1971. All I can tell you here, and please take my word for this, it is extremely well researched. So there is nothing that's even remotely untrue or irresponsible in this film. So when you see it, you're definitely going to be entertained, but you're going to walk out learning a lot about what really happened in 1971, and that's what this film's about.
John, towards your right. John.
I think before I did these few films, people said I was very comfortable in action. So I think it's what you project. Inside me, the fact is that my team knows that I'm a very big India lover, and somewhere I attract scripts like this. So when you really love your country, you will attract stories like this. So I think this story happened for me the first time Robbie narrated it to me. I still remember this cap. He came in, good-looking, smart guy, walked in, and he narrated like, "Ye karega, nahi karega, chhodna yaar, suna deta hu main." But when I heard it, I was blown by the story. I was like, wow. I said, today's date and age, this is the kind of film you must make. And when Moni came and met me for the first time, she said, I just want to be a part of this film because of the story. इतनी interesting story है. I just want to be a part of this. So I think it's very important to make good stories. So talking about your patriotic angle, if tomorrow there's a great patriotic film, I would love to do it. But I would not like to do like Madam Bollywood something said, right? That I would not like to do jingoistic films. I'm not anti any other country. I'm not anti any other religion. Very important. And I'm very pro-secular. And I'd like to make films that reflect the true nature of this country. Yeah?
Hi, John.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, John and Moni. This is Ravi.
Yeah, title Robbie.
Hi, so I would like to say about the title. Somebody questioned, like why Romeo Akbar Walter, right? So, yeah. So first, when my husband told me about the script and the story and everything, so I questioned him that why Raw, like what is it going to be like? Raw stands for. So he was thinking, and instantly he came up with these 3 names, Romeo Akbar Walter, and I was like, wow, really? So he said that yeah, this is going to be there because there are these 3 characters. So it was like just very instant with this Romeo Akbar Walter title. So it was him. Then he called up Robbie, and he's like, Robbie.
John.
So honestly, we were struggling with the title. I'll be very frank. We were debating, multiple names, theories, and like Vanessa said, Bunty got this fantastic idea in his head. I don't know what drinks or not, but he got this great idea. He called me in the night, so I don't know where it came from. But the moment I heard the title, I told him, fantastic. Let's not discuss it anymore. Yeah. Get it registered, and
John,
we should not waste any time on it.
John and Moni, towards your right. Yeah, Ravi from ABP News. मैंने ये सवाल सिकंदर से मिलन टॉकीज के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के दौरान पूछा था. जॉन और मौनी से जानना चाहूँगा, पुलवामा में जो घटना 20 दिन पहले हुई थी 14 फरवरी को, उसके बाद जो देश में माहौल बना है और जिस तरह से चेस्ट थम्पिंग हो रही है, वॉर मॉन्गरिंग हो रही है, वॉर करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है पाकिस्तान से, एक ही बार में निपटारा करने की बातें, और जिस तरह का माहौल बनाया जा रहा है पूरे देश में, इस बारे में आप लोग क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और ये पूरी घटना के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
जी, पहले तो जो हुआ वो नहीं होना चाहिए था. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दैट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई डोंट थिंक वी as natives of any country, nobody wants war, It's not just one side that gets affected. It's both the countries that would have to go through a lot of loss. And no, if you ask me personally, I don't want war, and I don't think anybody wants war. But I don't know. I'm not equipped to say what politically in the country what must happen. But what happened in Pulwama was absolutely wrong. And that is what I have to say.
So I think there has to be war against terror, not against a country or against a religion or against religions or between religions. So I'm very clear in my outlook, and I'm probably, and I get picked up for it, I'm not one of the actors who's going to sit on the fence and say, nahi yaar, ye audience ko acha lagega, usko bura lagega. I'm saying things as they are, that I think there has to be war on terror. You have to nip the rose in the bud. It has to be over and done with. But that doesn't mean you have to fight with another country, or that doesn't mean you have to stereotype people. Simple. And the problem that's happening today across the world is we're getting polarized. We're stereotyping people, and that's probably the most dangerous sign. That should not happen. So, but that's the way the world is functioning today. And we've got to live in this world today. So.
And we don't learn. No matter what happens, we don't learn. So.
John,
Ajit,
John, here. On your right, John. On your left, sorry.
हेलो मौनी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा. किस तरह का रहा एक्सपीरियंस जॉन सर के साथ? आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा जॉन सर के साथ एक्सपीरियंस, और आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा.
जी सॉरी, उनको गैग ऑर्डर है कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बात करने में. उनको पहले उनसे मेरे से पूछा कि क्या बोलना है, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोलना आपको, तो ज्यादा कुछ बता नहीं पाएंगे आपको, क्योंकि
नहीं, मैं ऑफ कोर्स बता सकती हूँ कि मेरा कैरेक्टर, आई वर्क इन अ बैंक, दैट्स माय कैरेक्टर, दैट्स द वन लाइनर.
फुल स्टॉप.
John, will the film
कौन
be
सा बैंक
releasing-
मत पूछना.
Okay, last two questions.
John, will the film
कैसा
be
बैंक?
releasing in Pakistan amidst the tensions that are happening between the country? Many Bollywood films have taken the call of not releasing the film in Pakistan. Will Raw be releasing in
I
Pakistan?
think Ajit's better equipped to answer that question. He's the studio. It's not in my place to answer that question because my producer's here on my right and there's a producer on my left. So I'll leave the difficult questions to them and I'll answer the easy questions.
Not really. I think the first one, let me take that on first. See, we are clearly focused and concerned about the India release first, you know. We haven't really taken a sort of view of what should be done so far as some of the other external territories are concerned, because this is a very big film and it's a film which is about India and it's about this character of an Indian. Whether another country we do release a film or not is, I think, is a very separate decision, which is going to factor in all the context. You know, I think a lot of other activities, whether it's cricket or various other activities today, are all factoring in a much larger context. So I think that's how we'll look at it.
John,
secondly, yes, I mean, a week postponement or shifting of films, these are all very routine things. What you want to actually look at is what is the best day for you to get your audience in the theaters. And that's really what the shift from a 12th to a 5th is all about, nothing more than that.
John, Justin here from PTI towards your right.
Last question.
Yeah. John, we recently met Kangana, who was of the opinion that actors should take a political stand and should make a political commentary because they are considered role models in society. What are your views on that, taking it further? Do you feel actors and stars and film stars are obligated to make a political commentary happening in the country?
Yeah, if they're politically aware, and I think Kangana definitely is, and she's got a voice, and I think you must take a stand if you're politically aware. But you shouldn't be, like I say, stupidly talented. You know what I'm saying? You cannot be an idiot who doesn't know anything about which country lies where. What's happening if you don't know what's happening in Bihar to Syria, then you should just shut up and smile and show your mug that you've done so much work on. Don't talk, right? So I think unless you're aware about what's happening, then only make a statement. If you're not aware, don't make a statement. I think everybody here sitting who's made this film on this bench here, everybody is. In my view, and I've spoken to everyone here, we are all very politically aware. We understand what's happening. Of course, Kashmir mein humne kafi shoot kara hai is film ko. So we know what is happening there and we know what the grassroots and the ground root problems are there. So we understand what's really happening there. So when you know a situation, you can make a statement. But again, making a statement at the right time is important. Not making a statement for effect. Not making a statement to trend. So I am not in the business of trending. I don't want to trend. It's good to show a good film, educate your audience, and let's move on with life.
Thank you, John.
Thank you so much. Thank you so. Okay, one last question. एक सवाल, लास्ट सवाल.
Yes, definitely. I think he's a true hero of the country. And like I said, we are real life heroes. He's a real life hero and we salute him.
Thank you so much, everyone. 5th of April, Romeo Akbar Walter releases photos. Thank you so much, everyone.